I'm going to set up Google AdWords, so sign in. Now this was the same process as the Google Keyword Planner. They're a part of the same tool. So you can't have this one, you can't have the full Google AdWords unless you put in your credit card. You'll get very limited access to Google AdWords, because what's the point of being in there without a credit card? So Google's kind of wants to limit that by only having serious people in there. So I click my domain name. You would have gone through that prompt that you've seen before about entering your credit card number that we've all seen. So here, all campaigns, I'm going to click the plus sign to add a campaign. New campaign. Search. So we're only going to do search ads. I click this. I want website traffic, so I'm going to click website traffic. You have sales, leads, website traffic. You can create a campaign without a goal too. Continue. Campaign name. Calgary Business Grand Opening. Probably not a good topic for a business site, but if it was a store or anything, just you give it any name you want. Do you want to be in the search network and the display network, or just the search? I just want people doing Google searches. I don't want Google search partners. I just want Google, straight up Google. Ads can appear in Google search results and other Google sites when people search for terms that are relevant to your keywords. So I don't want the partners, I don't want the display network, and I don't want the display partners, just Google search. Enter another location. So default to Canada, enter another location. I'm going to click advanced search right here. And I'm going to say Calgary. Target. So it's targeting Calgary. I could have also done radius and said Calgary. 20 kilometers is fine. So Calgary 20, so it does a circle around the city as opposed to city limits. Okay. You can use both too, so you can keep the city limits on the circuit. It doesn't matter if they overlap. Click save. Okay, English is fine. Budget. Enter the average you want to spend each day. $10 a day, so that's $300 a month. On delivery method, I could do standard or accelerated. I'm going to do standard, so it's kind of more even. What do you want to focus on? Conversions. I want clicks. Automatically maximize clicks. I'm going to manually set my bids, and I will raise them if I want to. Select a bid strategy. Help increase conversions with enhanced. No, I don't want enhanced. Set the end date to end of the month. Okay. Now you can add additional links to your ad. Site extensions. I don't have any other pages, so I'm not going to. Once I create more pages, I'll come back to that. Call out extensions. Let's see, new call extension. Offering something free is a good marketing tool. I went 2 words over. How can we say free business plan template in 2 less characters?
Biz plan, yeah.
Free biz plan template. Awesome. Very creative. Okay. Save that. Okay. Additional settings. My phone number will be in my ad. Ad rotation. Prefer best performing ads. And I want that, so if I set up multiple ads, it can rotate evenly. I'm not supported anymore. Optimize for conversion. Okay, do not optimize, rotate ads indefinitely. I want the best performing ads to show up. So if I make 5 ads, show the ones that get the most clicks. Schedule ads all day, where I can set up hours for the ads and days. So maybe I don't want them to run on the weekend. So we're back here, setting up an ad and trying to find keyword ideas. And this is just going to be for business plan. So I want to promote my business plan writing service. I'm going to offer a free business plan template or something. My goal is to give them enough that they get confused and then want to hire me to do it for them. So business plan. Over here it's giving me counts, clicks a day, average cost per click. I can go business plan template, but I don't want somebody to who's searching for a business plan template, because they're the ones looking to do it for free. So when you're doing keyword ads, be strategic about the keywords. So maybe I just want business plan writer, business plan writers, business plan consultant, maybe. And we'll find out some later. So In the way I have it written, business and plan just have to appear anywhere as a broad match in that search. Okay. Now, if I put it in quotes, they have to appear together in the search. In other words, can come before and after. Okay, so we're at 5 clicks a day. So they can search anything business plan, anything with business plan writer, anything with business plan writers, and anything with business plan consultant. Okay, I'm going to save and continue. Clicks are usually, I don't know, it depends on the topic, but some lawyers pay $20 a click. Some people can get away with 50 cents a click. Depends on the topic and how competitive it is. If I can make $500 on a transaction, how much am I willing to pay? And it takes 10 clicks to get a sale, for example. Just say my profit is $250 on that $500 sale. I'd be willing to spend, 20 bucks a click. New ad, final URL. So here's the thing. Now I'm kind of going too far to this because we have a website without content. It's a hypothetical scenario. So let's go back to our website.